Making money online sounds complicated, right? Wrong. Today, I'll show you a step-by-step way to hit $10,000 a month without needing coding, video editing, or years of experience. You won't need to. Invest huge money up front. Work 12 hours a day. Learn complicated skills. You will need internet access and a laptop or phone, a little effort to message businesses, a simple strategy that works even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start today. Step 1. What are we actually doing? The lazy profit model. We're using a business model called high-ticket drop servicing, but let's call it what it really is: service flipping. Here's how it works. 1. You sell a service for $2,000 to $5,000. 2. You hire an expert to do it for $500 to $1,000. 3. You keep the rest as pure profit. Is this a scam? This is what agencies have been doing for decades. Even big companies outsource work all the time. You're just acting as the middleman and providing businesses with a high-quality service. Think of it like this. A restaurant doesn't cook everything themselves. They hire a chef. A business doesn't always have time to build a website. They hire you to do it. You're not tricking anyone, just connecting businesses to experts. Step 2, choose a service that pays big money. Not every service is profitable. We need to pick one that check businesses already pay thousands for. You can outsource easily, has high demand. Best high-ticket services to sell. Web design. Businesses pay $2,000 to $10,000 for a good website. SEO, search engine optimization. Companies pay $1,500 to $5,000 per month to rank on Google. AI chatbot setup. Businesses pay $1,000 to $5,000 to automate customer service. Video editing for businesses. Companies pay $500 to $3,000 per video. Example: a local dentist has an outdated website. You charge them $3,000 for a fresh design, hire a professional for $700, and keep $2,300 in profit. Step 3. How to find clients who will pay you. You don't need ads or a big social media following. Just go where businesses are already looking for help. Where to find clients? Google Maps. Search for local businesses, dentists, real estate agents, restaurants. Look for ones with bad websites or no website at all. LinkedIn and Facebook groups. Join groups like Small Business Owners USA and Message Business Owners. Upwork and Fiverr. Businesses already post jobs looking for web design, SEO, and video editing. Just apply and offer your service. Pro tip: look for businesses that already spend money on ads. You can see this on Facebook Ads Library. If they pay for ads, they're willing to invest in better marketing. Step 4. How to message businesses. Copy-paste this. Most beginners struggle with what to say when reaching out. Here's a proven message you can copy. Subject: quick question about your website. Hey, business name? I checked out your website and noticed a few areas where you could improve your design and SEO to attract more customers. My team specializes in building high-converting websites that increase revenue. Would you be open to a quick chat about some ideas I have for you? Why this works. It's short and straight to the point. It focuses on their benefit, not yours. It sounds natural, not salesy. Once they reply, set up a call or just handle it via email. Step 5. How to close the deal without being a salesperson. When the client is interested, here's what to say. We can get this done for you in X days at price. Once we finish, you'll have a website that brings in more customers and increases revenue. Let me know if you'd like to move forward. Why this works. You sound like a professional, not a desperate beginner. You keep it simple, no unnecessary details. You focus on the benefit to their business. Once they agree, send them an invoice using Stripe, best for payments in the US. PayPal, trusted worldwide. Now you get paid up front, before hiring someone to do the work. Step 6. Get the work done without doing it yourself. Where to hire experts to do the work for you. Checkmark Fiverr.com, cheap freelancers for web design, SEO, chatbot setup. Upwork.com. Hire quality experts, but slightly pricier. Onlinejobs.ph. Affordable, skilled workers from the Philippines. Example: a business pays you $3,000 for a website. You hire a pro freelancer for $700. You keep $2,300 profit. Now you're making money without doing the actual work. Step 7. Automate and scale to $10,000 per month, even while sleeping. Here's how to scale up. 1. Get 5 clients per month at $2,000 profit each equals $10,000 per month. 2. Hire a virtual assistant, VA, for $5 to $10 per hour to send messages for you. 3 clients come in automatically and you just manage the deals. What's a virtual assistant? A VA is someone you pay $5 to $10 per hour to handle tasks like sending messages to businesses, replying to emails, managing invoices and freelancers. With a VA handling outreach, you only focus on closing deals and making money. But most people will watch this and do nothing. If you're serious about making money, don't just watch, take action.